In the science of relationship psychology, a small habit outperforms grand gestures. Curiosity fuels durable bonds in everyday life. Partners who treat conversations as experiments listen for clues, test tiny hypotheses, and adjust course with kindness. This experimental mindset reduces fear, invites empathy, and turns conflicts into collaborative revisions rather than battles. Over weeks, shared curiosity reshapes expectations, making partners feel seen, heard, and valued beyond surface chemistry in daily routines and long-term planning. The result is a living map of growth where small questions unlock trust, intimacy, and a resilient connection and mutual respect.